Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the tail light on this Volkswagen Tiguan. All right, pop the hatch. And there's a cover right here underneath. You need to take that out, get yourself a little trim tool like this one. And what you're going to do is stick it in here, pop this out. And then you have this little guy here. See this? This you're going to turn it. And keep turning it until it doesn't go anymore. That's it. I want to show you what happens to the taillight when you turn this knob. So you're going to turn it and it separates from here. See that? Now you could pull the taillight out. And the only thing holding it in place is this plug. Okay, take the red part, just pull it out. And then you're going to push on the bottom here. And then it comes out. All right, that was easy. Let's take off this one. So pop the hatch and we're gonna remove this cover. Take your trim tool. I got a hook one like this one. And you're just gonna put it here and pull down on it. And now you have a couple of 8mm nuts you need to take off. This one and this one. All right, before I take off these nuts, I'm gonna disconnect it. So pull out on the red tab here. Then you're gonna push in on this tab here and pull it out. All right, this is ready to come out, but don't pull it straight out, okay? So it won't come out straight out because you have this plastic kind of holding it over here. So pull it out from the left first and then kind of carefully pry it out. There you go. So this was just caught up on this. Now to put it back together, you want to put this side on first. So same thing. Put on that side first. Now you're able to put your nuts in. These guys, just snug them up. You don't have to go crazy. Now you're able to plug this back in. So push into it, clicks, and then you push on the red part, okay? All right, now you can put on the cover. Put these tabs on first, like that, and then this just pops in place. All right, to put on the other tail light, you're gonna take this pin right here. It's gonna go in this hole right here. But before you do that, make sure you plug it in, okay? So let's plug it in, and then we're gonna insert it. Okay, plug it in. It's gonna click in place. Once it click in place, push in on the red tab and line up the pin. You're just gonna insert it, but don't force it in, okay? Just leave it just like that. All right, next, we gotta come back under here. We'll turn this knob. Keep turning it until it doesn't go anymore, okay? You may need to put some pressure, like push on the tail light, just to get this knob thing started. But once it catches, it'll pull it in by itself. All right, guys, the last thing you need to do is put in this cover. You're gonna put these tabs, this tab on first, over here, and just push up. That's it. All right, guys, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.